I do a lot of protective styling, especially braids, but I can't seem to get the musty smell off my hair after take. What do I do?
That musty smell that you get in your hair is from mold, mildew, bacteria. And there are ways to eliminate it. Tea tree oil, tea tree oil mixed with conditioner, Listerine. I'm not stumped by the question, it's just that I've been triggered. Because I have had to deal with that smell over the last umpteen years. Clients who wore a lot of weaves, clients who came in and wore braids for 8 to 12 weeks. And so I've just been bewildered by how many women will walk around with that smell in their head and continue those same practices. And so it's neglectful. The sad thing about some protective styling or the culture of protective styling is that many braid technicians, not all of them, not all of you, aren't interested in your natural texture. They're using your hair as an anchor for the work that they do, but they're not interested in how the hair should be prepped. And so because it's a wild, wild west, here's my rule of thumb for protective styling. Any style that doesn't require you to have to wet your hair. Wash and go styling is something where you're simply incorporating your entire hair care and styling routine into your shower routine. I've said this a million times. Protective styling is any style that doesn't require you to have to wet your hair. And that could mean from a week to 2 to 3 to 4 weeks, right? I say for every hour that you sit in the chair should get you a week out of a style. And again, those styles, protective styling, can be classified as a blowout and a flat iron, a blowout and a twist out, a blowout and a braid out, a blowout and braids, a blowout and weaves, wigs. Really is about as long as your strands and your scalp can sustain that amount of stress and neglect before it bites back in the form of bacteria at your scalp and or hair loss, too much or tight pulling for too long. The funk that is up here, we smell it. And if you don't smell it, then you probably ain't smelling some other smells that are coming from you. It's suspicious. I don't know about that one, because no more stinky hair. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe, and so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.